हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आई होप यू आर ऑल फाइन एंड इफ यू आर न्यू ऑन अवर यूट्यूब चैनल देन subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will get our new videos in your notification and you will see our videos on the first priority. And today our topic is very important, so if you are connected with us and remain with us, I will tell you how to safer online shopping. I will tell you about the tips of online shopping, and watch our video and share and like and subscribe our channel. Okay guys, let's start our topic. From spotting shady website to turn down deals that are too good to be true. It's important to stay vigilant during my online shopping season. According to the FBI, in 2022, the Internet Crime Complaint Center received reports from almost 12,000 victims reporting on internet crime and non-payment or non-delivery scam. The losses added up to over $73 billion. Don't worry if you know that to look for. It's actually easy to avoid these kinds of scam. Below or basic guidelines for safe or online shopping. Use them and buy with confidence. Only first of all, only shop on popular or familiar websites. So I will tell you about this. And search results can be rigged to lead you astray, or even infect your device with malware. A good lead just isn't work. The risk, when we all know Amazon.com carries everything under the sun. Likewise, almost every major retail outlet from Target to Best Buy to Home Depot and has an online store. Beware of misspelling or sites using a different top level domain net instead of .com. For example, those are the oldest text in the book. Yes, sales on these sites might look enticing, but that's how they trick you into giving up your info. When in doubt, look for the log. And the other one is, if you are unsure if the site you are buying from the legit, look at your browser's address bar. Never buy anything online from a site that doesn't display a login icon near the URL. The log icon indicates that the site has SSL secure sockets layer, that's called it, and encryption installed. This means your data and transfers are more secure, and then they are an unencrypted site. Another way to tell if a site has SSL is look for a URL that start with HTTPS and slash, which is standard. Even on non-shopping sites, Google Chrome even flags on any page without the extra SS as not secure. So a site without it should stand out even more. Research the seller before buying. If you are very off-site perform your due diligence, the Better Business Bureau has an online directory and scam tracker. Yelp and Google are packed with retailer reviews. Put companies through the ringer before you plunk down on your credit card number. There's a reason that non-delivery, non-payment is the most common cybercrime complaint. It hurts when that happens financially and emotionally. Okay guys, that side online reviews can be gamed. If you see nothing but positive feedback and can't tell if the writers are legitimate, customers follow your instincts. If nothing else, make sure you have got a concrete address and working phone from for the seller. If things go bad, you have a place to take your complaint. In fact, call them before you order. You can clarify a written policy and where you to go within the issues after the purchase. And the other one is lie or omit personal information on shopping forms. There is no reason why an online shopping retailer needs to know your birthday, middle name, social security numbers, if any other personal information beyond your payment method and mailing address. Feel free for to life operator requires you fill in that kind of data to complete your transaction. What are they going to do? Tell you on. Okay, the more scammers know about you, the easier it is to steal your identity. You and possible default to giving up the little personal data as possible. Major sites get breached at the time, so it's important to keep your information private. And next other one is don't use your debit card to shop online. If your debit card is compromised, scammers have direct access to your bank funds. It's wise to use a credit card or mobile payment when shopping online. Some bank offer depositable credit cards numbers to make online shopping even safer. As do some security services like RNVest. The Fair Credit Billing Act ensures that you are only responsible for up to $50 of credit card charges if you don't authorize if you get scammed. Okay, guys, that's our topic. And if you're new, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that my new videos come into your notification and you can see easily.